It's your boy, Rusty Russ, back with that Blood in the Streets video, episode 9. Let's begin. Alright, guys, got you on that blood in the streets. A lot of blood out here in Wall Street, guys. You know, shit is entirely fucked. Goddamn. The reasons why, again, is Biden raising taxes, fucking interest rate hikes, possibly if economic data gets too good, which we saw that it didn't last Friday. So that should have eased the market a little bit. Tech still had some room to fall, so I think that's why it didn't. Nothing more than that. Dow Jones was fucking wild too, so had to correct, which it just did. And then something else. Oh, inflation. Okay, so the main point of this video, though, we're going to be talking about inflation. A lot of people are talking about inflation because, you just look at lumber, you look at it, you just look at everything. And, inflation, it's just there. So, and we'll see the CPI tomorrow morning. But I'm pretty sure that it's transitory. And I wasn't on the transitory boat until recently. And the reason why is because the reopening, he really hit the ground running, guys. And think about it. The supply chains maybe just weren't there. We went from COVID lockdown to reopening pretty freaking quickly. You know what I mean? Got it? So, the demand just skyrocketed, but the supply just wasn't there. But eventually the supply will catch up, and the demand is already pretty much maxed out and will fluctuate like it does seasonally. Inflation is going to calm down. So that's what I think Jay Powell means by this transitory. And I think no one's considering it because they just keep pointing to lumber like a bunch of Neanderthals. So make sure to pay attention to that. But we'll see the CPI numbers tomorrow morning. We'll see what the market does. But I certainly think that inflation is in fact transitory. And, big tech already died. People aren't going to go into growth. Anyways, I think that's dead for a little while, but we'll see what's up. I think the Dow's going to continue to war. We're going to see financials is a good bet, industrials is a good bet, and telecommunications is a good bet. And so is sorry, got thirsty. So is tech in a pinch, but we'll see what's up. Anyways, let's take a look at the charts. This is Dow Jones Industrial Average. This was yesterday, all the way to today. Made I think it's a 3.5% downward move from the high, or something to that effect. Something like 3.18%, something like that. But something I wanted to show you, right now. See this fib level right here? It wanted to touch that, and it did. This was today's low, right? 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a 1 day, 1 minute. And we're low here. Even low here, because it didn't get to touch that. Because by the time it got lower here, tech was already even more dead. I think tech kind of brought this up, so we didn't get a chance to touch this. That's just my theory, anyways, technically. But went ahead and touched this, anyways. And then we're back from outer space. Because that was a fucking move. But, we took a position in T-Mobile, Goldman Sachs, and Deere, and PayPal today, and we are green. Right at market open, I closed my TQQQ call credit spread for a very large gain, and I hope you did too. And then we went ahead and went into our 4 plays, like we talked about yesterday, and so hopefully we'll make some money tomorrow. The market will probably get bullish. I think the market is going to make all-time highs. I don't think it's headed lower. That's just my theory right now. Working theory before seeing CPI tomorrow could change. But I do think it'll take a little while for everyone to jump on the transitory bandwagon, but I think it's the truth. Eventually people will see it, and the markets will just roar. So I think that's what's about to go down, guys. Anyways, we can take a look at some of this blood if you want. Wow, Apple dropped all the way from 128 to 122.77. Oh, damn. I wanted to get some Amazon Blink, guys. You can get some if you want to. I tried to get some here. Like, this would have been nice. Fucking hell. Yeah, I think that's it for the video, guys. Just make sure to think about the transitory nature of inflation and to be more cash than less cash. Don't fully commit and be careful and take your profits when you have them in your options positions. And make sure to rotate some stocks around. Like, don't be back holding hyper growth from last year. If you are, you're wrong. Sell it. Like, that shit is not going to go back up. Like, just talking about Zoom and all that other shit everyone had last year. Like, fucking sell it. Don't be back holding some random bullshit. Like Planeteer. Fuck Planeteer. Anyways, we have a Discord link in the description. 7-day free trial where I enter, where I can exit. I'm consistently profitable. I make hella money every week. You know, got a big ass dick. You understand? So, you try and get this money. Like, you can join the Discord and you know, just follow me. And maybe you'll make some money. Within the first week, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks, every week you can probably make money. You know, as long as you stick to the rules, you should be fine. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, that'd be it for me. Deuce.